Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of delicious and authentic steamed momos. If you love dumplings, you are in for a treat. Before we jump into the cooking process, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on mouth-watering recipes like this one. Let's start with the dough. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of wheat flour with half teaspoon of salt. Gradually add water and knead until you have a smooth and elastic dough. Cover the dough and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. While our dough is resting, let's prepare the filling. In a mixing bowl, combine finely chopped cabbage and then add salt and rest it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then squeeze the cabbage and remove the water from it, and then adding all the vegetables that are mentioned in the description box: soya sauce, salt and pepper, ginger garlic paste. Mix everything thoroughly. Now comes the fun part, shaping the momos. Roll out the small portion of the dough into the thin circle. Place a spoonful of the filling in the center of each circle. Fold the edges to form a half moon shape and then pleat the edges to seal the momos. With our momos beautifully shaped, it's time to steam them. Place the momos in a steamer which is greased with oil. Steam for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the dough is cooked thoroughly. And there you have it, folks, authentic and delicious steamed momos. Serve this hot with your homemade dipping sauce. I have mentioned the description of the momo chutney in the caption. Do check it out. And you're in for a treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below with your favorite dumpling filling. Until next time, happy cooking.